Welcome to our no-nonsense ChatGPT medical tutorial. Dr. Isaac Cohane led a recent experiment to see how the newest version of OpenAI's chatbot, ChatGPT-4, would perform in a medical setting. His findings will blow your mind. Dr. Cohane's experiment revealed that ChatGPT-4 has better clinical judgment than many doctors. He goes on to reveal that GPT-4, which was released in March 2023 to paying subscribers, can answer U.S. medical exam questions correctly over 90% of the time. But it's not just a good test taker. ChatGPT-4 can even help doctors, from translating results into different languages to dumbing down technical jargon for better patient understanding, and even improving bedside manner. However, it's not all good vibes and TikTok. As Dr. Cohane explains, there are some serious ethical concerns to consider with ChatGPT-4's current limitations. On the one hand, I was having a sophisticated medical conversation with a computational process, Dr. Cohane said. And on the other hand, just as mind-blowing was the anxious realization that millions of families would soon have access to this impressive medical expertise, and I could not figure out how we could guarantee or certify that GPT-4's advice would be safe or effective. So how does it work? All right, so first, you're going to need to fill out the medical template I created. You can find it below, in the description of this video. Once it's filled out, we're going to come here to OpenAI's website. We're going to click on the drop-down here and make sure we are using ChatGPT-4 and then copy and paste our filled-in template and watch ChatGPT do its magic. I used a fictional person for this example, so we have 45 years old, female. We added some symptoms and her relevant medical history, onset of symptoms, severity, and so on. So as you can see, ChatGPT-4 has shared a few potential diagnoses to consider, as well as further recommendations for tests or follow-up questions. Remember that any AI is not a substitute for professional medical advice, and always consult a healthcare professional to verify the information provided by ChatGPT-4.